So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lyft app not loading right, iPhone and Android, cache, update and reinstall. So fix 1 is basic quick fixes for iPhone and Android. Force close the Lyft app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or double tapping the home button and swiping the app away. Toggle airplane mode on and wait 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh the network connection. Restart your device to clear memory and resolve temporary glitches. Second fix is check internet and connectivity. Weak Wi-Fi network or dead spots can hinder app loading. Consider turning off Wi-Fi to improve connectivity. Try loading the ride usually using cellular data for better performance. Third fix is app and device update. Update the Lyft app via the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for the latest version. Ensure your device meet OS requirement like iOS 17 or Android 9.0 Pie. Confirm that your phone operating system is fully updated. Fourth fix is enable location service. In iPhone, navigate to setting on your device, select the Lyft app from the list, find the location setting, choose either always or while using the app for location access. In Android, navigate to setting on your device, select apps from the menu, find and tap on Lyft in the list of application, go to permission within the Lyft setting, ensure the location permission is toggled on. Fifth fix is clear cache and reinstall. In Android, navigate to setting on your device, select app from the menu, find and tap on Lyft, go to storage option, tap on clear cache and clear data. Reinstall steps are uninstall the app from the device, restart your phone to refresh the system, download the app again from the App Store. This process helps replacing any corrupted file. Thanks for watching.